Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for taking the time to watch and support this product review video. Shout out to Cowin for sending me the Cowin E7 wireless Bluetooth headphones. That and more in this box. In just a moment, we're going to get into this box and check out everything you get for $59.99. Now, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description, as I always do. And when you hit that link, it's going to send you right over to Amazon. Little written out description there of what you'll be getting for $59.99. Wireless Bluetooth headphones with mic, hi-fi, deep bass, over-the-ear, comfortable protein ear pads, 30 hours of playtime for travel, work, TV, computer, and phone. You do get 5 color choices. $59.99 gets you the black one. $62.99 gets you blue, purple, red, and white. Now there is a coupon, 5% extra savings coupon applied at checkout. And it says details right there. So click on that so you can learn how to save 5% extra on either the black or the other color choices. If you scroll down below, you're going to see a lot more information. Cool wireless Bluetooth headphones, super soft protein ear pads. That little baby just taking a little nap in that little ear muff there. And you can see a lot more information. So please read everything before you order. 750 milliamp battery, 4-hour charge time, 30-hour playtime, 30-hour talk time. So a lot of information, seller warranty description, 18-month warranty, and quick response and friendly customer service, legal disclaimer, seller warranty description again. So yeah, just read everything before you decide to purchase. I've been reviewing Cowin headsets, and I'm going to tell you, man, they are amazing. I am having a fun time with the headsets that Cowin has sent me for review, and really worth looking into. $59.99 for these. We're going to get into the box and see what you're going to get. Let's take a closer look at the Cowin E7 Bluetooth headset. You got mostly plastic material. Even on this shiny area that looks like shiny steel metal, it's plastic. Now you have this metal band here, metal aluminum band here, and underneath you have another band that's plastic for extra support. You have the pillowy soft pleather material here, protein pleather material here, and you got foam underneath. Of course, the foam in the earmuffs here, very comfortable. These shouldn't be any different than the other Cowin headsets that I reviewed. Comfortability with those headsets are awesome. Thumbs up. Yes, pillowy, soft. Got a lot of swivel action. You can lay those down like that. They swivel around this way and back and forth here. Okay, so as far as these being comfortable on your head, over your ear while listening to music, audiobook, watching videos, movies, shouldn't have any issues as far as comfortability. Again, my experience with Cowin headsets has been a thumbs up in that area. Even though most companies will suggest that you remove the headset or even earbuds for a little bit to let your ears relax. I do suggest that as well. I do that, but for the most part, these should be very comfortable. Functionality, you got an area here that will light up. That's a blue LED light once we turn these on, and you got this clicky area here. Can't miss it. Looks like shiny metal steel. Receive phone calls, click. Disconnect, click. And you have your plus symbol right there and a minus symbol right there. Long press on the minus symbol decreases the volume. Long press on the plus symbol increases the volume. Quick click on that plus symbol. You go forward a track. If you're listening to music, goes forward. quick click on that minus symbol, you go back a track, okay? And on the side here, you have your off and Bluetooth for on. You got your aux jack here for your auxiliary cable, your 3.5 millimeter auxiliary cable if you want to be wired in. And on this side, you have, you can find that right there, where you will use your micro USB charging cable to charge these puppies up, and you have a little LED light right there as well. So let's go ahead and grab my S9 Plus here, and we're going to go and turn these on and get these puppies synced up. And there they are. And they are paired. Nice. All right, everybody. I'm going to be using these for the next few days, and then I'm going to come back and let you know what my experience was with them as far as comfortability level over my head, over my ears, and the audio quality when it comes to the lows, the mids, the highs. What I think of the Cowin E7 Bluetooth headset. I'll be back. It has been a few days, and I've had a wonderful time listening to music with the Cowin E7 Bluetooth wireless headset here. It does not have active noise canceling option, but if that's not something that you're looking for, these are definitely a headset to look into for $59.99. Again, I'll be leaving the link down below in the description. Hit that link, take you right over to Amazon. Please read everything before you purchase. Very comfortable functionality, very simple. If you choose to be wired in, you can utilize that if you don't want to use Bluetooth. I love being wired in. Solid quality build. Got the Cowin E8s over here. These are a $150 headset, right around that price point. Whole nother beast when it comes to build quality and audio quality. But for $59.99, Cowin gives you a great experience in audio while watching movies, videos, and listening to different genres of music. I've listened to rap, country, rock, metal, indie, instrumental, and I have nothing bad to say with the experience that I've had with the audio that's been flowing into my ears. Just another option when it comes to Cowin headsets. They do it right at different levels, at different steps. They have different price points for different headsets, and so far everything they've sent me has been amazing. But again, that is my opinion, so please go over to Amazon, check out the information, and if you have any questions for me, leave it down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace, God bless.